Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add your custom logo onto your Wix Studio website. So here I have my website right here, and then we have our logo right here on the left side of the header. We can just click on it until vector art is visible, and then click on it again, and then we'll click on the change vector art option. And then from the Wix dashboard, you can just choose some logos if you want to, and then you can create a new logo right here on the AI image creator, but we'll just use a custom logo for this video. So we can just click on the upload media button, and then this window will pop up, and then we'll just choose upload from computer, and then we'll choose this logo PNG right here. And then once it's done uploading, you need to take into account that your logo needs to be in vector format. So because if we choose this PNG file, it says that only vector art can be chosen. So thankfully, we have our vector format right here that is in logo.svg format. And then we can add this as well. And then now we have our vector format of our logo. And then you can't really edit this since vector formats are built like that. You can't edit it anymore. So we'll just need to add this to our page. And then now we can see our custom logo is now here on our Wix website. Well, for example, you want to add a bigger logo onto your website, we can just use the PNG file. You can just click on add elements, and then we'll add an image. So we can attach this image right here to the header, and then we will change the image, and then we will use our PNG file for our logo. And then we'll just select it, and then now we have our bigger logo on our Wix Studio website. Then we can adjust the size of this one, and then we will go to settings, and then we will change the display mode into fit to bounding box so that we have our full logo onto our website. And then you can add some new features as well. If you want to have a link open when you click in the image, you can do so as well. You can adjust the image if you want. You can change the brightness, and then the contrast. So it's up to you. But of course, when you have a logo, it needs to have a uniform format. So we'll just leave the logo as is. And then we can click on preview to see the logo onto our website. And then that is it. I hope you learned how to add your own logo onto your Wix Studio website. And thank you for watching this video.